Hey everyone, hey everyone, welcome back to edquest. I'm your instructor, and in this video we are going to walk through the core components of Kubeflow using this detailed diagram. Now this may look complex at first glance, but don't worry, I'll break it down step by step so it all makes sense by the end. Meet the ML engineer, that's you on the left, who is responsible for building and deploying machine learning models. Step 1, data preparation. As a Spark operator, first we need to prepare our data. That's where the Spark operator comes in. It helps with cleaning, transforming, and organizing data at scale. Think big data sets, big compute, handled automatically inside your Kubernetes cluster. Step 2, model deployment. Once your data ready, you move into notebooks like Jupyter. This is your development lab. You write code, experiment with models, and explore your datasets interactively. Step 3, hyperparameter tuning as a K tip. After you have a model that kind of works, you move on to K tip. This component automates hyperparameter tuning, testing multiple configurations, and helping you find the best version of your model. Step 4, training as a Kubeflow trainer. Then comes the heavy lifting. Model training. The Kubeflow trainer handles this, supporting distributed training jobs for frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and XGBoost. It even allows fine tuning if you are working with pre-trained models. Step 5, serving with Kserve. Once your model is trained and tested, it's time to serve it. That means Kserve comes into play, helping you deploy your model as a scalable, production ready REST API. It supports auto scaling, logging, and even model explainability features. Pipelines that tie it all together. And that is the best part. All of these steps can be automated using Kubeflow pipelines. These pipelines let you repeat the entire process from data to deployment with just a few changes in configuration. Feature store and a model registry. Behind the scenes, we also have important supporting tools. The feature store powered by Feast, which manages both offline and online features for training and serving. The model registry, which store model artifacts and metadata for tracking versions, lineage, and reproducibility. So putting it all together, so what we see here isn't just a diagram. It's a blueprint for modern machine learning operations. Each box is a powerful tool, and together they form a complete system for building, training, and deploying ML models at scale.